Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to quickly change graphics quality in Palworld. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here select graphics. At the top is the presets list. Here you can swap between different presets, different graphic quality presets. There is the very low, medium, high and epic. Choose one of them, and then if you want to, you can simply go into the following settings and customize them to your liking. But if you don't care about that, you can simply press the back button and select yes to apply the changes. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.